Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. For today's video, I will just be doing a a dong coffin set. I'll probably insert a picture of the inspiration for this set. But I've already prepped my nails, I've primed them, and I've applied some Makartt full cover tips that I just put into this casing. I've already applied them to 4 of my fingers, and I'm going to show you how I apply to the pinky because they are full cover tips. I got this idea from Femi Beauty, and she will use the full cover tips as just regular tips. So basically what I do, also the primer I use is the Modelones primer, and I also use the Modelones base coat. And what I do is just dab a little bit of base coat inside of the nail, and I press the timer on my nail lamp and just get the finger in there to it turned off. I just get the finger in there so that the light at least catches the finger, and just enough for it to stay on the nail. Then as you can see, it's just stuck on the nail. It's not secure fully, so just put it back in and cure. And now I'm going to be curing the whole entire hand for the full 60 seconds to ensure nothing falls off or anything. Hey guys, voiceover Imani here. Basically what I'm doing now is just filing over the tip, and I'm not really sure if filing over the tip makes a difference when applying acrylic, but I started out practicing nails using polygel, so I'm used to just filing over the tip. So most of the times now when I'm practicing with acrylic, I just file over the tip either way. I've seen a lot of YouTubers actually not file over the tip, so I don't think it makes a difference, but I just do it because I've just been doing it. So most of the time, if I'm not lazy, I will file over the tip. I'm going to speed up this part and then do the stiletto thumb and the pinky, and then come back to you when I've finished doing it and show you how I did it. Okay, so I have shaped all of the nails. I did the stiletto shape for the thumb and the pinky, and I did the coffin. The coffin was pretty simple because they were already pre-shaped. But for the stiletto, what I did was I took I'm just gonna do a demonstration on this. I took a pair of scissors. I don't have nail scissors, so excuse the regular scissors. And I just basically cut to where the number is and cut it at an angle, and I just cut it going all the way down. So I basically just did this, cut it all the way down, and you have just a really tapered coffin on one side, and then on the other side I just did the same thing carefully. And it won't be perfect, but what you can do is just, well, what I did, because when I cut the thumb, it wasn't perfect, so I just filed it down, and then I did the same to the other side, just filed it down, and then I just kept filing. And then you're gonna have a really tapered ballerina tip, and after you have that, then I just kept filing the tip and then blending it down to get this shape. I don't want it to be too pointy because I do have pets and I play with my pets, so yeah. I'm just going to apply I'm using these 2 colors. Okay, so for this clip, Well, the set that I am doing is an ombre set, and I'm doing an ombre from orange to pink. And right now I'm just applying the hot pink acrylic to the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to feather it up closer to the cuticle in the second when I apply the second bead. After I apply the second bead now, and I'm going to go in with an orange bead and feather that orange bead down into the pink acrylic in order to create the ombre effect, and then just fill out the rest of the nail with the orange acrylic going up to the cuticle. I'm applying a clear cap over the ombre, For this set, I made the mistake of applying the ombre itself, the pink and the orange. I made the mistake of applying them too thick. So basically what I had to do was, well, also my ombre it's not as how I wanted it to be when I was finished applying. So I actually had to go in a kind of file and brush up like individual applications as I did. So I actually had to file down a lot of the acrylic before I applied the clear cap. I still think it's a little bit bulky even after I applied the clear, so I really had to file down the clear to be really thin to make them not look super duper bulky. I had actually gone in and filed all the nails off camera because of how thick they were. It took a longer time to file and it was just too much. So you're just seeing me going with a fine bit right here and just finishing up the nails basically. Okay guys, so this is the finished set. I think it looks really nice and I think I did pretty well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment, like and subscribe, and bye.